I know you've never tried this shredded beef Chinese noodles before, but this is amazing, easy and affordable to make. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this recipe. These are the most important ingredients you need. This is your butter, your cooking oil, grated pepper, onion, ginger and garlic, our vegetables, our red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green and carrots, our shredded beef, our prawn and our shrimps mixed together, our lemon, then our eggs, our seasoning cube, and our rice noodles. And these are all the ingredients you need. In the pot, we're going to add our butter and allow it to melt a bit. Then we're going to add our shrimps to it. At this point, I'm just trying to make sure it is properly seated inside the pot. Then I'm going to add my seasoning cube and then a little bit of lemon to this, because whenever you're making your seafood, you need your lemon in order for it to have a very flavorful taste. Then I'm going to mix together and then allow it to get cooked between 3 to 4 minutes on a medium heat. And at this stage my shrimps is ready, so we're just going to bring it out and then set aside. And by the way, if you want to purchase our meal plan, the link is up on our bio. You can just click, you can purchase the meal plan. It has over 90 recipes. So the same oil, we're just going to add our eggs to this. Mind you, I didn't add any salt to this. I just beat my eggs and then allow it to just mix together. And at this stage our eggs is ready. So in another pot, we're going to add our cooking oil to this and then our shredded beef. We're going to add our seasoning cube to our beef. This is our ginger and garlic paste. Then we're just going to mix together. Mind you, shredded beef doesn't take longer time to get cooked. So after mixing together, I'm just going to add a little bit of water because I want my beef to get cooked properly. I don't want that raw taste in it. So after 5 to 6 minutes on a medium heat, this is what we have. So I'm just going to add my grated pepper, onion, and that's a little bit of ginger and garlic in it. So we're going to mix together. That seasoning cube. Then we're going to add our soy sauce and also our sesame oil. Mind you, I didn't show this in the ingredients, but it's there. And after that, we're just going to set aside. So in another pot, we're just going to add our water to this. Allow our water to bring to a boil before we add our salt and our rice noodles. You don't want your rice noodles soggy, so you're just going to allow it to boil between 2 to 3 minutes because the water is already boiling. So after you add it, you're just going to cover it and then allow it to boil between 2 to 3 minutes. And at this stage, our rice noodles is ready because we don't want it soggy. So we're just going to sieve and add it into a bigger pot after sieving it. So I'm going to add my shredded beef sauce to this. And then I'll start to mix until it is well and properly combined. After 3 minutes, this is what we have. So time for us to add, that's my daughter trying to taste my food because this smells so good. So I'm going to add my vegetables. That's my carrots, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and then my scrambled eggs, and also my shrimps. And I'm going to mix until it is well and properly combined. Then I'm going to add my rice noodles water and then cover it and allow it to simmer between 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I'm going to add my spring onion and then mix again. This smells so good and it tastes amazing. The flavor is perfect. So all we have to do is just to serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn easy and amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.